as a way to take 100% responsibility for your life. What do we mean by that? 100% responsibility means if anything, anybody shows up in your experience, you are responsible for it. No exceptions, no loopholes, no get out of jail card. And the way this was first explained to me is that Dr. Hulen said, haven't you ever heard the phrase, you create your own reality? Well, hell yes, I've heard it. One of people write about it, and teach it. Well, if you create your own reality and a mentally ill criminal shows up in your reality, didn't you help create that reality, that person, that experience? Whoa. That's taking this to a quantum leap level of responsibility I didn't want to go to. And as I've learned, because I've now been promoting the book, and he and I have done several seminars together, most people don't want to go to. But he said it's all about taking 100% responsibility, whatever shows up in his life. He says that some program in him helped pull it into his reality. Now, what do we mean by some program? Those are the thoughts, those are the beliefs. That's that unconscious programming, but it goes deeper and further than what you might have ever thought before. Because Dr. Hulen is talking about you've inherited the programming from your ancestors. He says it goes all the way back to amoeba, that all of those generations and centuries of beliefs, of crimes, of unforgiveness, everything is there. It's in your unconscious. You have it. You have it. So Dr. Hulen says that the best way to clean, in his opinion, and again, this would be written on the board, is to say 4 phrases. And some of you know those 4 phrases. Some of you practice those 4 phrases. Some of you know that I'm saying those 4 phrases in my mind right now because I'm cleaning as I'm speaking so that I can give you the best, most direct delivery, presentation from the divine that I can humanly give you at this point in time. I am cleaning now on you, for you, through me. And I'm saying, you're welcome. And I'm saying, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you. Which is the essence of Zero Limits. You don't even have to read the book now. I'm telling you the story and I'm telling you the secret method. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. You can say it in any order that you like. Why would you say this? Because some people resist it. They don't want to say, I'm sorry. They want to say, what did I do? I don't want to say, please forgive me. I don't have to ask for forgiveness for anything. So I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. The way it's been explained to me and the way that I explain it is, you're saying, please forgive me for being so unconscious. Please forgive me because I have not been aware of everything going on in my life. I have not been aware of what I have had in me, my program, my beliefs from my ancestors or me, to bring in the reality I'm now experiencing. I'm sorry. I was not conscious. You're saying thank you because you're addressing all of this to what I call the whiteboard. You're addressing it to the divine, to God, whatever the word is for you. I just use the whiteboard because it just seems to be so visually, metaphorically relevant. That's God to me. And you're saying, thank you, God, for erasing this. Thank you for erasing this. And always ending with, I love you. And if you want a short form, which I would be willing to give everybody here, all you really have to say is, I love you. Can you imagine how your life will be different if the non-stop self-talk inside of you was nothing but, I love you? You're not saying it to the other person, but you're saying it to yourself. Your whole vibe will change. Your whole interaction with the other person will change. What you send out to the universe will change. And you will be helping to clean the country, the world, everything, the universe, as you're doing this. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. But you can just say, I love you. And as you do, you are cleaning. The more you clean, the more you're going to be able to receive inspiration. Because remember I said earlier, you're either going to be receiving programming, which is any of this data, the 11 miles worth of data that's available at any moment, all of this centuries worth of programming that goes all the way back to who the hell knows where it started. You can be pulling programming from there, or Keep me pulling inspiration. And when it comes, you act. But in order to get there, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you.